Well, when we think of first responders, it's police and fire and EMTs that come to mind, but really the first person to respond in a crisis, it's the dispatcher on the other end of that phone line. These individuals, they are the voice of calm and reason during a crisis.
And they hear the cries for help and decide what action is needed, relaying information as the ears for law enforcement and emergency services before those services arrive on the scene. And this happens to be National Public Safety Telecommunicators Week. They couldn't. Aren't there some initials that could go over there? Anyway, KTAB's Mariah Williams reports a time to show appreciation for those who are ready to help when their phone rings.
As the phone rings, there's someone on the other end of the line ready to answer and assess the calls of distress.
Apply 911 was the address emergency.
We're gathering information, ensuring public safety, officer safety, and then protection of property. So we kind of take every bit of information we can get.
Dispatchers sifting through the chaos, sometimes having to deliver babies and administer CPR over the phone.
The harder ones are going to be CPR and stuff dealing with infants that don't come out great. You know, whenever somebody wakes up next to somebody that's passed away overnight that they've been with for 60 years, those are pretty rough.
As the job comes more in the public limelight, Brownwood 911 dispatcher and shift supervisor Justin Storch says the conversation around the mental health toll is also prevalent.
We get them to the EMS and firefighters to them, and after that we don't hear anything else. It can become emotionally difficult. It can weigh on a dispatcher quite a bit. One of the best things that we can do is have a good, strong support system, which we do from our officers, from our fellow dispatchers, and our family.
In a world without dispatchers, Brownwood Lieutenant Art Sanders says,
it would be chaos. 611. We wouldn't know where we're going. We wouldn't have, it would be up to us to find things going on all the time. And we just can't do that. You know, there's only a limited number of officers out there prowling around the streets.
From Brown County to Taylor, the vision is still the same, to help others at all costs.
Your worst day is our work day, and we want everybody to feel heard. And when they call, we want to make sure everybody feels like a priority. So we are here,
ready to save lives through a call. With coverage you can count on, I'm Mariah Williams, KTAB News.
Thank you, Mariah. Texas began recognizing dispatchers as first responders in 2019, providing 911 operators with the same benefits as law enforcement and emergency services, but there's still more than 20 states that have yet to classify them as first responders. But we want to take this time. They do a great job, and it's a tough one.
Absolutely. Thank you for your public service. It's crucial and vital to every community.
It is.